Hey, are you looking for job or business opportunities? Hold on. You must know about AI and ML. The impact of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, on the future of work and job market. Welcome to ITExpertiseNext, your partner in technology trend forecasting for career and business success. Today's video is about the impact of artificial intelligence and machine learning on the future of work and the job market. Although short, this video will guide you towards your most perfect destination within the world of AI technology. Discover the numerous possibilities and opportunities that await you in this rapidly evolving field. AI refers to the ability of machines to simulate human intelligence, while machine learning involves training machines to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. These technologies are rapidly changing the way we live and work. Automation of routine tasks. Improved decision-making. Enhanced customer experience. Identifying new opportunities. Increased efficiency. Potential for greater impact in healthcare, finance, and transportation. If you want to stay informed about the latest job market and industry trends and acquire the relevant education, skills, and experience, be sure to check out our detailed articles on ITExpertiseNext.blogspot.com. You can find the link in the comment section below. Potential negative impact on traditional jobs, but also potential to create new job opportunities and increase productivity. Importance of ensuring fair and equitable job market. Ethical and responsible use of AI and ML to minimize unintended consequences. Opportunities for businesses and individuals to collaborate, acquire new skills, and develop new technologies and applications. The influence of AI and ML on the job market and the future of work is intricate and diverse. Through the adoption of these novel technologies and collaborative efforts, we can build a brighter future for ourselves and the wider society. Be sure to stay tuned for our next video, where we will provide you with in-depth insights into a range of job and business opportunities that can be highly beneficial in the AI and ML era. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to ITExpertiseNext. And click on the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest informative videos.